Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 6 is I am are. So students, this is our third part of this chapter. So till now we have understood how we will be using the is, I am and are in the following fill in the blanks. Okay students, we have understood all these words and sentences and we have done all these fill in the blanks also. And we have understood that when we are using the I, then we'll be using am with it. Okay, like I am Goldilocks, like this. And we have also understood that when we are using is, so with is we'll be using he, she and it. Okay, and then we have understood that when we are using are in this sentence, then we'll be using they and we. And we have done this following exercise also. And again we have understood that when we are using is with singular noun and we are using are with plural noun. And we have done this exercise also. Okay, and this exercise also. And I have also given you some homework also. Okay, this homework. Okay students, so now we will begin with the another part, that is learning with Lady Bird. So let's begin with it. We use the present simple to talk about things that do not change. So students, here are some sentences which do not change with time or with tenses. Okay, so the first one is he is a teacher. Okay, we don't like ice cream. I am not a baby. Do they walk to school? So students, these are the sentences which do not change. Okay. Then we make the present simple like this. So how we make the present simple? So let's begin with it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 columns. And in each columns we have words, and when we will join these words we will form a sentence that will be present simple. Okay, so let's do it. That is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, play or plays, do not play, does not play, do I, you, we, they play, does he, she, it play. Okay students, so now we will make a sentence from these words. Like the first one, I play. Okay students, I play. You do not play. We do not play. They do not play. This is how we have to make these sentences. And there's another one, she plays. Okay, he does not play. Okay students, so this is how we have to form these sentences. So here is another one, I walk to school. I walk to school. Do you learn English? So here is a simple sentence, and this is also a simple sentence, but there is a question mark in the end. So that is a question also. Do you learn English? Okay. So now to be irregular. So now we will be forming some irregular words. So I am. Okay. Am not. That means am I? That's a question. That means irregular. Okay. You, we, they are. You are not. We are not. Okay. And he is not. She is not. Okay students. So this is how we have to use these sentences. He is clever. We are friends. Okay. So this is how we will be using these simple words in simple present present simple sentences. So to be an irregular verb, we do not make irregular verbs the same way as other verbs. There are lots of irregular verbs. So students, we don't make irregular verbs. They are already exist as the same way the verbs exist, other verbs exist. So there are lots of irregular verbs as we have seen in the above exercise. So here we will be doing some exercise and then we will understand how we have to do the present simple. So in this, write the present simple of think. So we'll be using word think with the given exercise. So let's begin. There is I think, do not think, I think and I do not think. Do I think? So like this, we, you, we, they. So they think. Okay? They do not think. Or we do not think. Okay, students? And the last one is do, we, you, they think. Okay, so like this, like do they think? Okay, do they do not think? Like this. These sentences have to be formed. Like then we'll be using things. THINKS. Things like this. He thinks. He does not think. Does not think. Okay? Then does he, she, it and think. Okay, students, so this is how we have to do these exercise. So let's begin. Now we have to do the another exercise, that is complete the sentences in the present simple. So we have to fill in words in the fill in the blanks which is given below. So let's begin with the first one, that is an example. George swims in the sea. So we will do the next one, that is Umila drinks milk. Umila drinks milk. Okay, students? So here is another one. Nat rides her bike. And there is another one, that is fourth one. Does Preet eats chips. Okay? And the last one, that is fifth one. Do you jump high? Okay,